Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very beautiful essay on Har Ghar Tiranga. Introduction. Har Ghar Tiranga is a campaign started by the government of India to encourage people to hoist the Indian national flag at their homes. It was launched in 2022 as a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The campaign creates a feeling of patriotism and respect for our national flag. Aim of the campaign. The main aim of Har Ghar Tiranga is to bring people closer to the national flag. It encourages every Indian to proudly display the Tiranga at home. The campaign also reminds us of the sentences made by our freedom fighters. Importance of the Tiranga. The Tiranga is a symbol of India's unity, pride, and freedom. Saffron represents courage, white represents peace and truth, and green represents growth and prosperity. The Ashoka Chakra in the center represents progress and righteousness. How people celebrate. During the campaign, people hoist the Tiranga at their homes, schools, offices, and other places. Many people also take photographs with the national flag and share them on social media. Students participate in rallies, competitions, and patriotic activities. Conclusion. Har Ghar Tiranga is a beautiful way to show love and respect for our country. It teaches us to value our freedom fighters. We should always respect the Tiranga and work together to make India stronger and better.